Today I'm working on the Olds. I've done quite a bit of work already. I'm working out here with Sam. He was working on the fuel cell. Looks like he's gotten his old one out. Tried to push the tailgate out a little bit and might have caused more issues.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, so because this has been in an accident before, it got pushed in. The hinges were pushed in a little bit, so when he pushed it out, obviously the body of the truck didn't, or the bed of the truck didn't move, just the tailgate. So then the hinges didn't want to work as well. So he's going to be working on that.
So now we're going to hammer it out and get new bolts. Make it work.
Right. Do you have the fuel cell all bolted up?
No, I have the frames out there getting painted.
Okay.
Monster in it.
So yeah, so he's going to be getting that knocked out. I guess I can show you guys what I've been working on. I did not film this, but I've got the alternator bracket in, the power steering pump on, just loosely have the water pump pulley on because I still have to put the clutch fan on there, which is over there. I got the crank pulley on. I got some hoses from Napa. So now I am working on getting the radiator in. So I gotta clean that up a little bit, and then I'll try and put that guy in with the shroud and the upper bracket and see how well that goes. So I'm gonna set you guys up so we can get that stuff installed. Alright, so I have the radiator in. Unfortunately, this shroud seems like it has been damaged previously, which is a bummer. But I got the top 2 bolts of the shroud done. I'm going to be putting the bottom 2 bolts shortly. Then I'll be hooking up the radiator hoses. And then we'll be working on, I don't know, we'll work on something else. So I'm going to get to working on the bottom bolts of the shroud. Alright, so now I've got the shroud in, the fan on, The hose is on, but not with the clamps or anything like that. I opted to not put the AC back on for now, just because with my aluminum heads and the intake, the brackets require that there is a tapped hole here, and then it also requires that a stud is on one of those head bolts. And because I used ARP head bolts, I don't want to just remove one and use one original bolt. So I'm going to save up to get a better air conditioning setup for this, and maybe get away from that big mess over there. But yeah, it's starting to come together. I'm pretty stoked. The alternator's on, power steering pump's on, water pump, pulley, everything like that, which is pretty cool. I got to get some hoses for power steering, just to replace those ones. Got to get something to do with the battery tray. Got to get a battery, cables, things like that. But this is coming together. Hopefully soon I'll be able to fire it up, break in that cam, and yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video and consider subscribing. See ya.